Hey, welcome home, Hiljin Homes, where you will find real estate information that no one else is sharing with you. If you have any questions about the home buying process, you are a first-time home buyer, I have a free guide on how to actually purchase your very first home. But if you actually want some one-on-one attention, feel free to book a free 20-minute consultation with me. I'd be happy to answer any questions, put a plan together, and really just help put you in the best position to actually secure that very first home this year. Again, with that said, let's go ahead and get right into the video. All right, point one, and obviously I'm a little biased with this, but you should always partner with a real estate agent, right? Rely on a real estate agent who could actually support your goals. As the PODS notes, making an offer on a home without an agent is certainly possible, but having a pro by your side gives you a massive advantage in figuring out what to offer in a home, especially in these multiple offer situations. Now, agents are local market experts. They know what's worked for other buyers in your area and what sellers may be looking for. That advice can be game changing when you're deciding what offer to actually bring to the table. And again, it puts you in the best position to actually secure that home. Okay, point number two, understand your budget. So, knowing your numbers is even more important right now. The best way to understand your budget is to work with the lender so you can get pre approved for a home loan. So doing so helps you be more financially confident and show seller that you're very serious. So having that pre-approval will give you a competitive advantage, especially when you're putting offers in multiple homes. Now, as Investopedia says, sellers have an advantage because of intense buyer demand and a limited number of homes for sale. They may be less likely to consider offers without a pre-approval letter. All right, so definitely get that pre-approval. All right, point number three, you have to make a strong but a fair offer. So it's only natural to want the best deal you can get on a home, especially when affordability is super tight. However, submitting an offer that's too low does have some risks. You don't want to make an offer that'll be tossed out as soon as it's received just to see if it sticks. As Realtor.com explains, an offer price that's significantly lower than the listing price is often rejected by sellers who feel insulted. Most listing agents try to get their sellers to at least enter negotiations with buyers to counteroffer with a number a little closer to the list price. However, if a seller is offended by a buyer or isn't taking the buyer seriously, there's not much you or the real estate agent can do. The expertise your agent brings to this part of the process will help you stay competitive and find a price that's fair for both you and the seller. All right, final point. Point number four, you want to trust your agent during negotiations. So after you submit your offer, the seller may decide to counter it. When negotiating, it's smart to understand what matters to the seller. Once you do, being as flexible as you can on things like moving dates or the condition of the house can make your offer even more attractive. Your real estate agent is your partner in navigating these details. Trust them to lead you through the negotiations and help you figure out the best plan. As an article from the National Associations of Realtor explains, there are many factors up for discussion in any real estate transaction, from price to repairs to possession date. A real estate professional who's representing you will look at the transaction from your perspective, helping you negotiate a purchase agreement that meets your needs. Again, bottom line, rates are high, inventory is low, and it's a competitive market. Choose the right agent that's going to help you. Choose the right agent that you actually resonate with, that you trust. And then I swear it's going to be probably one of the best investments that you will make, right, for you and your family's future. With that said, thank you for spending time with me today. Thank you for taking the time to actually watch this video. If you did find value, definitely shoot me a like, shoot me a comment. And again, I will go ahead and continue making these videos for all you first-time home buyers looking to purchase your first home. With that said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.